How to connect YouTube to Battle.net. So basically log in into your YouTube account and click on your icon right here in the right hand side. Then what we need to navigate to is the settings option right here at the very bottom, and simply click on settings. From the left hand side you will get a bunch of options. Under settings, what we need to go to is the connected apps tab. And right here, as you can see, you will be able to see lots of different apps. So this tutorial is for Battle.net. So I'm simply going to click on Battle.net. But before I do this, make sure that you are in your account, your main YouTube account associated to your email. If it is a brand account, you won't be able to do this. So log in into your main account. So here I'm just going to click on connect, again connect, continue. And all you have to do is simply log in with your account credentials here, and then you will get a button to connect to Battle.net, or it will do it for you automatically. So I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.